U.S. News and World Report magazine is out with its list of the best colleges in America. The best colleges list includes rankings of more than 1,400 schools throughout the country. Topping the list of U.S. News National University rankings this year, America's oldest college, Harvard University. Harvard is ranked number 1 for 2 of the last 3 years, tying with Princeton University for the top spot last year. This year, only 1 point separated Harvard and Princeton, which came in at number 2. Yale and Columbia universities were ranked 3rd and 4th on this year's best colleges list. Stanford University and the University of Pennsylvania tied for 5th place. Among the nation's liberal arts colleges, Williams College in Williamstown, Massachusetts, was tops according to U.S. News. Williams was also number 1 on last year's list. Amherst College was ranked 2nd, followed by Swarthmore College in the 3rd spot. U.S. News and World Report has been ranking colleges based on several different criteria, including graduation rates, SAT scores, and selectivity since the early 1980s. In addition to ranking the nation's top national and liberal arts schools, U.S. News also ranks up-and-coming schools. The University of Maryland, Baltimore County garnered a number 1 ranking among a total of 68 universities in the category. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.